Now let us consider triangle ABC whose altitude is h1 and the base is BC. Now area of triangle ABC here is, say, area A1 equal to half into B into H1. Now if I move the vertex A downward as shown in figure 2, the altitude H1 will decrease to, say, H2. In that case, area A2 will be equal to half into B into H2. Since base is same, height is reduced, area A2 will be definitely less than area A1. That is, area A2 is less than area A1. If vertex A is further moved down, then altitude reduces further and hence the area of triangle will also reduce further. So in this case, area of the triangle is area 3. So area A3 will be less than area A2. Now if I move further down the vertex A such that now it lies on base BC, height or altitude of the triangle becomes equal to 0. So area of the triangle will also become equal to 0. It means that for the collinear points, if we calculate area of triangle, that area will be equal to 0, as it is not possible to have there a triangle itself. So you can make note here that if 3 points are collinear, then area of triangle formed by those 3 points is 0. Now we will take question number 2. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. This question is actually based on the discussion that we made just now. To find the value of k in these two questions, what we have to do is we have to equate the area of the triangle formed by these vertices. In this question, again I will solve the second problem. First one you will take as homework. Solution. First one you take as homework. Second one, to find value of k, equate area of triangle to 0, area of triangle to 0, using area of triangle formula. Area of triangle equal to half into the bracket x1 into the bracket half into the bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into the bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 into the bracket y1 minus y2. Half into the bracket x1 is 8, so 8 into the bracket y2 minus y3, that is minus 4, minus of minus 5 will become plus 5, plus x2 is k into the bracket y3 minus y1, that means minus 5 minus 1 plus x3 is 2 into the bracket y1 minus y2, y1 is 1, y2 is minus 4, so minus of minus will become plus 4. Equating the area of this triangle to 0, and transferring 2 on this side, 2 into 0 will become 0. Here inside the bracket 8 plus k into minus 6 plus 10 0 equal to 18 plus k into minus 6, that is minus 6k. That is 6k equal to 18, therefore k equal to 18 by 6 or k equal to 3.